This is a moment I want to share with you, with everyone who has been supporting me and encouraging me and cheering me on for what feels like forever as I've been writing my book that is coming out October 18th called Embracing Unrest, Harness Vulnerability to Tame Anxiety and Spark Growth. And guess what? I have a box of the books right here, right now. And I want to open this box with you right now because this is amazing and exciting and oh my goodness, oh my heavens, this is it. This is oh my baby. Look. Available for pre-order now. Go to my website, embracingunrest.com, and pre-order your book. I am so happy and grateful for all your support. This is for you so that you can become all you're meant to be.